I hope you have downloaded my free ebook and enjoy reading it. This book is just a taster of what you can actually achieve with the psychology of color. At the moment, there's quite a lot of scientific research being done on the impact of light and color and the influence it has on our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual life. If you want to learn more about all the different aspects of light and color, Google the International Light Association. Color and light have been used as therapy in ancient cultures, so don't think that I've just dreamt this all up in the last couple of years. It's been used for centuries, and I'm very excited that scientists now being able to validate the effect color and light has on us. I'm specialized in only one aspect of color, that is the psychology of color, the emotional effect that color has on us. I've combined this knowledge with the connection of the body and mind and have developed a method that I call the color comfort method. I see color as a language, and if you understand and speak this language, it will give direct information from your subconscious of what's holding you back and where there are imbalances. And you can also use color to actually shift how you feel and think and attract different experiences into your life. As a life coach, practitioner, or image consultant who deals with people on a daily basis, I think it's of great value to be able to read your clients within seconds and see which events have shaped your clients to become the person they are today, and what is blocking their growth, and also see where there is an imbalance and where certain symptoms come from and how to change these. You can also support your clients to achieve their goals by showing them which colors support these goals and how to use these colors. This is not a replacement of your own expertise or procedures, but an added tool that will allow you to do your own work far more effectively. Clients often tell me that I was able to pinpoint the real issue within 30 minutes, whereas their therapist got to the same conclusion, but it took much longer, sometimes even years. Your clients will love you for it if you can help them shift and move forward quicker and more effectively. Another great advantage of color is that everyone can choose a color or talk about their color choices, even very young children. But not everyone can verbalize their true emotions and what's going on or happening on a subconscious level. Your color choices are a reflection of your subconscious, and the language of color cannot lie. Okay, I can go on for on and on and on, but I want to show you a very short animation about color. So just enjoy. Look below this video.
Welcome to the magic of color, splash of color. Color is all around us and is used in many different areas, like in hospitals, when newborn babies lie under blue light against jaundice. Color is used in designs and architecture. Some airlines use colored cabin lights for passengers to relax. Marketing uses colors to attract buyers and promote products. Color is used in fashion and in uniforms, and we all communicate a message using different colors. You will never see a pink police uniform, a judge in an orange robe. The message of color will clash with the role this person has. What is color? Color is energy, a vibration, or a wavelength. We are surrounded by wavelengths, like the X-ray, our microwave, radio waves, and internet. Only a tiny piece of electromagnetic spectrum we can see with our naked eye. These are the colors of the rainbow. We see color via our optic nerves, sending messages to our brain. Every color carries a message and emotion. Color can change how you feel and think because it communicates a message. Marketing uses color to send out messages about products for you to buy. You will never see brown toothpaste. Color choices can give insight into yourself and others. Decode color choices and understand what colors say. Color choices can reveal your past, present, and shape your future. Using psychology of color is a great tool for creating your life, overcome challenges, get information about yourself and others, experience well-being, see what is important to you, easily make changes in your thought patterns and emotions. Want to shape your own future through the energy of color? Visit www.colorcomfort.com. With colorful greetings, Thelma Vanderwerf.